How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for tapping in. Tutor, coach, homeschool. How are you? How are you? I need to definitely check in with your page. Coach C. Brown, thank you for tapping in. I hope everyone is doing well. It is about to rain here in Charlotte, North Carolina, but I hope everyone is well. Please be safe on your way home. So today we are doing a short Q&A and just sharing updates with our learning portal. For those of you that don't know, Witness the Elevation, we are putting together a virtual homeschool hub. So basically, it's a learning center. It's a homeschool hub as well as just a learning center for adults and children where they can come in virtually and tap in with very informative and educational content that helps them transition into a natural lifestyle while gaining self-sufficiency, really building those skills. Natural living is a great way to heal, tapping in with nature. We really just want to elevate through the mind, body, and spirit. We really want to tackle all of those and not just the surface. And that's what this learning center is all about, teach and just sharing that information with everyone. So having a virtual foundation, I definitely thought would be a great idea to kick off homeschool mix with the learning center as well. And that's what we're doing. We are actually homeschooling. For those of you that don't know, I am a mother of two. My oldest is 11, and we are homeschooling. So just to be able to tackle that in with her curriculum, just to be able to tackle in virtual learning, I thought would be an awesome idea adding all this together because the things we're teaching is what the children need to know about. So just having the ability to freestyle and do things our own way is like truly amazing. So with that being said, we have started a learning portal, and I'm super excited that we have this finished because it is time to use this information. It's time to use this platform to share the knowledge. And I felt that this would be a great approach because it is a lot less work for me. That's one thing, because until we have more people involved with WE, it is a lot of work. All right, there we go. So the Learning Portal, Virtual Homestead Learning Center. So this is the name of our learning center on IMVU. For those of you that are not familiar with IMVU, it is a social media platform that is in 3D. It's a 3D version, and you can definitely create digital products and showcase them in 3D form or on through video. But they have so many different elements that you can tap into to include them in your virtual room, to take your whole experience with your brand and everything else, your whole showcasing of your brand to a whole nother level. This is Virtual Homestead Learning Center, and this is the portal. This right here is the first two. We have the digital product, which is the activity sheets that are available for with this workshop. So we have that you can download, and you can also check out the workshop as well. It is also free, and follow along with the whole course. But let's check this out here. Just some information that talks about what we're doing, our mission, our goals, our core values, and definitely following along with us by sharing your email. And yeah, let's check out. So here, once you set up your account with Teachable, and we will have a referral link with Teachable, so we can definitely get that 25% off for you. We'll have that in our bio, so you can check that out. But yes, let's just see here. So our first workshop is infused herbal oils, helping you to design your very own oils. Oh my goodness. And this is just the start, because what we're doing here is doing step by step, like creating our own ingredients. So that way, when the next set of projects come of things we're going to create, oh my goodness. But yes, so here you're able to download the digital workbook that we have available. I need to change that. But digital workbook that we have available it is an activity sheet. Thank you for tapping in. It's different activity sheets where you can follow along with the workshop. And yeah, you can print these out and use them. But let's go ahead and go back and we can check out the course for the infused herbal oils. So right here, WE Pharmacy, that is the name of our market that will be in the Virtual Homestead Learning Center I was telling you all about. And we will definitely have a live for that as well. So you can get that virtual tour of the Virtual Homestead Learning Center on IMVU. But this is the course here. So what you'll gain insight to, and it just breaks down everything here. This is the curriculum. It breaks everything down and it welcomes you. So we give you that preview and course overview. Let's see, it's going to come up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to adding many more of these onto our learning portal, and just really sticking with that particular workshop or worksheet or book or whatever we add to the learning portal, really sticking to that monthly, so we can really see what we're doing and how we're transitioning into a natural lifestyle and gaining that self-sufficiency, right? We're really seeing that elevation. I definitely appreciate everyone. With that being said, if you happen to tap in with this replay, please share your comments, questions. You can also message me, witness underscore the underscore elevation, or w.e.pharmacy with an F. That is also our page as well. We will be using that page to share products that we will have available soon in the market. As I was saying, WE Pharmacy. We will have that information on that page and a little bit of insight on how we're getting it all together. Thank you so much for tapping in. We love you. We love you. We love you. We are excited for you and your transition. Definitely excited for you. We can't wait to see you in the physical realm. Can't wait to see you. But this is Perry Charnel, your favorite gardenist, as well as your virtual room designer, your favorite virtual room designer. Soon will be, as you start learning more about what these virtual rooms are all about and how you can use them. We'll be sure to demonstrate that for you. But I love y'all. Peace.